Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you or teaching you how you can access unlimited fonts for your designs. It's enormous and it's unavoidable when designing, and you might not actually be feeling the designs that in Photoshop or maybe your design software that you use or the default fonts on your computer. So you basically might need more fonts, something more graphical, something more, maybe something more curly, something more antique, or something like handwritten or whatever, something maybe technical or something electrical. There are different kinds of font, but it all depends on your preference. So basically, what I'll be recommending basically is this dafont.com. Dafont.com is the website I use to get different kind of fonts. On this site, you can access several thousands of fonts. To understand or to get those fonts, you can just use the search button here. If you know the name of the font, you can just search here, or basically you could just click themes. Once you click on themes, it takes you straight up to the particular place you want. It takes you to the types of fonts that are available. There are over 1,000 of them. So, but basically, what I love about this particular site, because basically you can actually you can just go to Google and just type the particular name of the font you want, and you just stumble on any site randomly. But the reason why I prefer to use this particular website is because, one, right here you see a preview. If you type in the particular word that you want to be fonted, all you need to do is, okay, let's take for instance, let me type my name, Leke Kayode. Yes, so here you can put the particular font size you want, then you hit the submit button. So what it does here is immediately it converts all the fonts that are here. It converts them to the name, to the word Leke Kayode, and you don't need to even guess anymore of how the font will look like when you now install it on your system. So right here you can see the particular word, you can see how it should actually look like. Then so you won't just be guessing or just trying to know which one is right for you or not. You can see it has converted the word Lekikaide to all the fonts that are here. So it makes my life so easy, man. As in life made easy. So all you need to do is just to scroll down to check the particular one you like. If there's none that you think you like here, you can just click the theme and to open all the themes for you. Basically, these ones that are here are actually the top. That's this top here. That is the top fonts that people use mostly. That's why you can see them here. You can see there are different sections, section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even down to 40.